Hey guys, so hope you are doing well. So welcome to a new video of Growth Traders. So in this video again we have a update about our market. So yes, today was our monthly expiry on Fin Nifty. So yes, it is a crucial day for us to analyze the markets based on its intraday price action. So let's get into it without further delay. So as you can see, I am on the chart of Nifty, and the Nifty, after opening today, there was a small upside movement that was followed by a profit booking from the highs. But again, the range low was not broken down, as you can see clearly. And from again the range low, a small round of buying came in, leading to a closing near the level of 18,640. Right. So as you can see, the overall view on our market is, as of now, uh, the markets are very much overextended, right? So as you can see, if you look at the hourly time frame, so from around the last bottom at 18200, the markets have pretty much moved in a straight fashion with this gap in between, right? So there is a very high chance that the markets may turn sideways or give some profit booking at the current levels, right? This is our overall view on the market. If you look at the daily time frame, so it is currently standing exactly at this resistance area, and from around this bottom the price has given some up move, so a pullback till at least 18500 can be expected before a further round of buying comes in, right? Same fashion, we have to analyze the bank nifty's chart as well. So here as well, this a similar kind of a price action can be observed. So the last high that has been broken out, but this has to be retested. So for this, for the price to retest this level, it has to fill this gap and eventually head higher, right? So this should be the overall view for the market. As you can see, the price again has formed a range. So today from the bottoms, the price did give some up move, leading to closing around the range high. But I don't really feel that this 44,500 level may get broken out, thanks to the fact that the prices are highly overextended. But if you look at the numbers from the FIIs and the DIIs, so yes, they are still buyers. So the FIIs, if I'm not wrong, have bought for about 2000 CR today. So if we have a look at that data as well for additional confirmation, so as you can see, today's net value is DIIs have sold for 400 CR, the FIIs have bought for 2080 CR. So these numbers are the one that is basically so much bullish about the markets. So even if we expect a retracement, so the percentage of the same may not be that big, right? So that is the thing to consider here. Similarly, if you look at Fin Nifty, right? So today's star of the show was Fin Nifty, and sorry for this. Yeah, this is the chart. So as you can see, Fin Nifty, we had captured this trade, right? So you must have come across our intraday trend reversal strategy on Instagram and in many of our posts recently, right? So this is a very good strategy that works in this kind of a market where the markets usually show some profit booking in the first half, and eventually the prices reverse in the second half. And this trade works especially in the later market hours post 1 p.m, right? So as you can see, today's price action, or yesterday's and today's price action combined, so the price went up, it came down, it tested this low, and from here there was some consolidation, and eventually there was some short covering ground pending here. And what happened is, right after this range high got broken out, the price gave some move, retested this range high, and then boom, it went up, right? So our ideal entry again is at a pullback near this zone, and what we are looking forward to is that the market should create a base at around the nearby support zone. So as of now, what we can say is this gap has not been filled. There are a lot of buyers at this region. So yes, it is important to consider that the range high is also a strong resistance, the range low is also a strong support, right? So maybe considering the fact that the prices have overextended so much, we don't really expect a resistance breakout as of now. Rather than that, what we are looking forward to is some round of profit booking, right? So again, the non-directional players should benefit here. um, you can look forward to creating positions for the next week expiry as well, right? If I'm not wrong, 18900 and 18900 on the upside and 18100 on the downside, it is giving a reward of about 3.2% till the next expiry. And this is an 800 point range for Nifty. So most likely the markets are going to remain in that range only. If you look at the price action of Nifty, so 18900 is actually the almost near the previous all-time high. So it is not really possible for Nifty to uh, create a new all-time high unless and until it gives a good uh, retracement, right? At least tests this previous breakout zone of 18500. Similarly, on the lower side, on the downside, 18100 is way below the 21 period exponential moving average and also the last low, right? So that is also not likely to get broken till the next expiry. So yes, those who are looking to capture some DK, they can definitely go forward to creating that position based on our non-directional strategies, right? So this is our overall market. If you look at the sectors as well, so similar fashion has been observed. So you can see the Nifty IT has somehow managed to give a closing above this 200 EMA on the daily time frame, post a good round of profit booking. Similarly, the metal stocks have shown some profit booking, especially in the second half. So they may come down to test this 200 EMA again and eventually head higher, right? This is also a possibility. If you look at IRCTC, so again we have some opportunity forming up here. So as you can see, very strong volumes from the bottoms for the past two trading sessions. So you have this 200 EMA on the daily time frame. Although the price has not been able to give a closing above this 200 EMA. So yes, what we can expect here is if the price starts giving an upside trend from here, especially after the breakout of this today's high of 654, then it can head higher till the levels of 670, 680, right? Since the momentum is looking good for the short term. Also, looking at the higher time frame, the price has almost bottomed out at around 560 to 600. So maybe it can give some up move. So yes, I have some cash positions in IRCTC, so that's a good probability here. Similarly, some of the other stocks that where we have created some cash position is of course Metro Brand. Metro Brand, if I open this chart, you can see Metro Brand is near its all-time high, and we have actually booked the positions on an intraday basis. We have created this position right at the previous candle around at 950, and today you can see there has been a good movement on the upside, but thanks to the fact that the price has sold off from the levels of 990, giving a closing at around 970, that's still a good profit. So thanks to that closing, we have actually squared off our positions, as simple as that. uh, Similarly, IOC, I have updated this very recently. It is still heading upwards with decent amount of momentum. Steel Authority of India, you can see it has rejected from this 200 EMA. So it is definitely heading upwards if the metal sector favors it. One recent trade of ours that has done really well is Hindustan Copper. Uh, this is the one which I'm talking about. So yes, Hindustan Copper, it has again gone up by about 2.5% today based on its intraday high. So yes, it was up, its high was 112.85. So it is an absolutely strong movement. We did share its entry at around 104 right after it broke this level of this resistance zone, as can be seen, and the volumes are looking pretty strong. So yes, post some round of retracement, it will head higher. So you can see it has reversed from this long term confluence area, and above 120, 130, this whole trend will reverse and it will start heading upwards for the long term target of 200, right? So again, as you can see here, the metal sector has not really been able to sustain at the highs, but Hindustan Copper did, and that's a good sign, right? So this is our overall market setup. Keep an eye on Gujarat gas as well. So Gujarat gas, as can be seen here, it has broken out this uh, area. It has given a closing around 503, much above than 500. So yes, it is likely to head higher. If the momentum sustains, then the immediate targets are going to be 520, followed by 530, right? If there is some round of profit booking from here, then the 200 EMA on the daily may get tested again, right? Hopefully this makes sense, guys. uh, our overall view on the market still remains range bound, and yes, maybe for a few more sessions the markets may remain range bound, and eventually if the sellers gain control from the higher levels, then it can fill the recent gap that has been created, but the buyers are expected to take over from the lower levels, leading to a new upside buying cycle. That is the overall view. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.